Hi guys, welcome to Mafix Library. This video talks about rational number part 2. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share, and whichever topic you want to see in the next video, you can tell us in comment section. Now in the last video, we studied about rational number and their properties, and I hope you understood everything, so let's move further. Next we have distributory of multiplication over addition. This says if a by b, c by d and e by f are rational numbers, then a by b into c by d plus e by f is equal to a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. Now here it says that a by b, c by d and e by f are three rational numbers. So according to distributory of multiplication over addition, it is in the form of a by b into c by d plus e by f is equal to a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. Now this we can see through an example. So we have three rational number, 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So according to this equation, b into a by b into c by d plus e by f, here we have a by b is equal to 4 by 5, c by d is equal to minus 3 by 4 and e by f equals to 5 by 6. So if we are multiplying it as 4 by 5 into minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6, it is equal to 4 by 5 into minus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 2 divisible by 12. Then it gives the answer as 1 by 15. And further, if we take the RHS part, that is a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f, then also we are getting the answer as 1 by 15. Therefore we can see that 4 by 5 into minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 4 by 5 into minus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 into 5 by 6. So here we can see that this example satisfies the distributory of multiplication over addition, which gives the equation a by b into c by d plus e by f equals to a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. Now next we have existence of multiplicative inverse. Every non-zero rational number a by b has its multiplicative inverse b by a. Thus a by b into b by a is equal to b by a into a by b is equal to 1. So here it says that if a rational number is there which is a by b in the form of a by b, that is non-zero rational number, then its multiplicative inverse is b by a. We have studied multiplicative inverse in our lower classes. It says that any rational number if we have, then its multiplicative inverse is its opposite form, means a by b is equal to b by a. For example, if we have 1 by 2, then it will become 2 by 1. So similarly here it says that if we have a non-zero rational number a by b has its multiplicative inverse as b by a, thus if we write it as a by b into b by a, if we are multiplying both of them, then we are getting answer as 1. So here we have example also. If we have a by b is equal to 1 by 2, then its multiplicative inverse will be what? B by a, that will be 2 by 1. Then it gives the answer as 1. Because if we are writing it as 1 by 2 into 2 by 1, then 2 cancels 2, then we are getting 1. So it satisfies this equation. So this is what existence of multiplicative inverse is. Now next we have equivalent rational number. Now if p by q is a rational number and n is a non-zero integer, then p by q is equal to p by q into n by n. This means p by q is equal to p into n by q into n. Means if p by q is a rational number, then n is a non-zero integer, means it can be any integer instead of 0. Then p by q is equal to p by q into n by n, means it exists in this form. So let's see this through an example. Here we have minus 2 by 5 as a rational number instead of p by q. So here it talks about n is a non-zero rational, n is a non-zero integer. So here if we take n is equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5, then what the answer we will get? So minus 2 by 5 will be equal to, it can be in the form p by q into n by n. That means minus 2 by 5. Here n what we will take? Here n we are taking 2. It can be any non-zero integer. So here we are taking n as 2. So what we will get? Minus 4 by 10. Similarly, we are doing with 3. N is equal to 3. So minus 2 by 5 into 3 by 3. Then again we are doing for 4. Minus 2 by 5 into 4 by 4. So it will come in a series like minus 2 by 5, minus 4 by 10, minus 6 by 15 and minus 8 by 20. And here this recurring line shows that it can be moved further also. We can take 5, 6, 7 or any other number. So these all rational number here we have got are equivalent rational numbers. Okay, now next we have standard form of rational number. So what is standard form of rational number? A rational number is said to be in standard form if it is in lowest terms. Means any rational number if it is in its lowest term, means if we cannot do further with it. Means example we have minus 1 by 2. So it cannot be divisible by any other number. If 1 and 2 we are talking, then it can be divisible by 1 only. So if we are cutting it by 1, then also we will get minus 1 by 2. So it is in simplest form. So this is standard form of rational number. Now we have steps for to express rational number in standard form. Some steps are given. Step 1 is, if already not so, make the denominator of the given rational number positive. Means any rational number is given. If it is in positive, then it's fine, but if it is in negative, then we have to convert it in positive rational number. So what we are doing for that, if we have rational number, negative rational number minus 1 by 2, then for converting its it talks about denominator. So if we have a rational number with denominator in negative 1 by minus 2, then if we have to convert the denominator in positive form, then we are multiplying with minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. So we will get minus 1 by 2. So here 2 is in positive, means denominator becomes positive. So this we will do as step 1. Then we have step 2 as divide both the numerator and denominator by their HCF. Then we will divide both the numerator and denominator by the HCF of what? HCF of numerator and denominator. Means if we have a rational number, means 1 by 2, then we will divide it with the HCF of 1 and 2. Okay, so example we have, to express 45 by minus 70 in standard form. So first step we will follow, make the denominator positive. So we have 45 by minus 70. Here denominator is minus 70. So we will convert the denominator as positive. So it will come as minus 45 by 70. Now second step is divide both the numerator and denominator by HCF of 45 and 70, because it is saying divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. Then HCF of what? The given numerator and denominator. So here numerator and denominator are 45 and minus 70. Minus 45 and 70 after converting. So we will take out the HCF of 45 and 70, that is 5, and then we will divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. So it will give the answer as minus 9 by 14. So this is the standard form of minus 45 by 70. Okay, now next we have comparison of rational number. How we can compare two rational numbers if they are given? So it is given in steps. So step 1 we have express each rational number with a positive denominator. Firstly we will do each of the rational number should have a positive denominator. Okay, then next step is find the LCM of positive denominators. Then we will find out all the LCM, all the denominators LCM. Means if we have many numbers, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, then 2, 3, 3, we will take out the LCM of 2, 3 and 3. Okay, now next step we have express each of the given rational number with their LCM as common denominator. Means each of the rational number we will express with the common denominator with the help of the LCM. Means if we have numbers such as 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 1 by 6, then what will be the LCM of 2, 4, 6? LCM of 2, 4, 6 will be 12. Okay. So now we have to express each of the given rational number with this LCM as common denominator. So for expressing as common denominator, what we will do? 2 into 6 if we are doing, then it is coming as 6. So both numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 6. Then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Then for second one, we have 2 by 4. Two by 4 is there, and we have LCM as 12. So in 4 what we will multiply, then we will get 12, obviously 3. So here we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, then it will come 6 by 12. Then next number was 1 by 6. Then if it's with what number we will multiply 6, so we will get 12, 2. So here we will get 2 by 12. So like this only we will express each the given rational number with the LCM as common denominators. Now next step we have the number having greater numerator is greater. Now all the denominators are same, so what left is numerator. So now we will compare the numerators, and whichever number will have greater numerator, that number will be greater one. Now let's see it through an example. So here we have a question: compare minus 8 by 9 and 4 by minus 5. So what was the first step? First step was express each rational number with a positive denominator. So now we will express each rational number as positive denominator. So minus 8 by 9 will be equal to minus 8 by 9 because here denominator is in positive. Okay. Now next number is 4 by minus 5. Here minus 5 is there in the denominator, means it is in negative form. So we will convert it in positive, then we will get minus 4 by 5. Then what was the next step? Find the LCM of positive denominators. Now we have positive denominators 9 and 5. So we will take out LCM of 9 and 5, which is equal to 45. Therefore, now next step was express each of the given rational number with this LCM as common denominator. So therefore minus 8 by 9 is equal to minus 8 by 5 divided by 9 into 5, means LCM is coming 45. So here denominator is 9. So with what number we will multiply denominator? So we will get 45, that is 5. 9 5s are 45. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by given number, that is 5. So it will come as minus 40 by 45. And the next number is minus 4 by 5. Here 5 is the denominator and LCM is 45. So with what number we will multiply 5? So we will get 45. It's 9. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator with 9. So we will get minus 36 by 45. Now next step was what? The number having greater numerator is greater. Now we will compare the numerators. So here numerator we have got minus 40 and minus 36. So which one is bigger? Minus 36. So minus 36 is the numerator of which rational number? It was the numerator of minus 4 by 5, means 4 by minus 5. So here minus 8 by 9 is lesser than 4 by minus 5, that is 4 by minus 5 is the greater rational number between two. Now that's it for today. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share, and hit the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.